just finished eating. Oh, focus. I just finished eating breakfast. I'm always coming to this damn mirror. Why I just don't turn the camera around like a normal person? I don't know, but I like my mirror. So anyways, I'm about to clean up my living room now. You guys can watch. This is my cleaning outfit. I just got on this white tee, some gray leggings, some sandals. Don't judge my toes because the nail shops are closed, with my little ankle bracelet or whatever. So watch me quarantine clean. Okay, so quarantine is clean, is done. Anyways, for now it's done because I'm hot, I'm tired. It took me a few about an hour to do what I had to do. Your girl is looking thick, not really, but let me dream. Okay, anyway, so it's clean now. I have everything cleaned and put up. I know I'm sitting here when I'm messing with this computer, so that's just right there. My chargers are right there. It's clean. I dust this off. Excuse the little speaker because I'm just playing music while I'm cleaning up. But look how clean it is now. It was junky for so long. Oh, and y'all, the picture that I had right there, I put it over here, which is like a horrible spot for it. This shit is not cute at all. But I don't know, I wanted to change it up a little bit, and that matches kind of, you know, because I got the little dark stuff going on. So go subscribe right motherfucking now, because I said so. It's dark. The ring light is in the way. Okay, but anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, period, all of that. And yeah, peace.